Some like I've made some mistakes in the past. Something that it cannot change.
Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to unbox my brand new helmet, which is empty blade. So let's do it. So this is my helmet, and I purchased this helmet from Emeraldies. So this is fully packed. Let me show you. Okay guys, so this is my helmet. Okay, so this is full face helmet guys, and it has full of 7 like security, technology, design, quality, comfort, etc. It has 2-year warranty. Okay, so this is empty helmet guys. Okay, so let's open it. It's really tough with one hand guys. I don't have a tripod, so okay. So this is our helmet guys. Empty logo. Okay, so on the both sides. Great, let's open it. So this is our brand new empty blade. Okay, you can see here it's empty blade. Okay guys, let me show you the whole helmet. Okay, great. The graphics are awesome guys. Okay, as you can see here, it is DOT certified. You can see here guys, it is DOT certified, and this is L size. It's L size. Empty blade sports series race line. Okay, so what we have here, this is some user manual. Okay, world standard. These are some user manual. Okay, so this is the visor guys. Okay, so it has also, you can see here, it has one sun visor also. Here it is. Sun visor, one hand controlled. Okay. So, and okay, so this is quick change, 2.2mm thickness, anti-scratch, PC lens. Okay, and it has also a pin lock guys. Pin lock, if you don't know about pin lock, so pin lock is used for the foggy days. It helps in the foggy days. Okay, now let me show you the paddings guys. These are the paddings, and this is really very soft and it's hard enough to save our head during any accident. Okay, so you can see here it is also written empty helmets. So the paddings are very nice. Okay, so this is for chin. Okay, great. This looks like carbon fiber, but it is not. Okay, so and now let me show you the air vents. This is one air vent here. Okay, and it has also one here and one here. So these are the air vents. Okay, so and it has also air vent in here and here. So total it has one here, one here, here, here and here. So it has total 5 air vents. Okay, and the look is awesome, guys. See the look. And the cost of this helmet is only 6,250. So in this price, guys, this is the best helmet. Great. So now let me try this helmet. I will show you. Okay guys, let's remove this instruction manual. And so this is our empty helmet. Let's look awesome. Okay guys, so let me try this.